When it comes to cars, the true cost isn't just what you pay at the dealership, it's what you'll pay when things go wrong. And trust me, as a former service advisor, I've seen it all. Some cars look affordable at first, but when they break down, the repair bills can shock your wallet into tears. So before you buy, watch this video till the end, because I'm revealing 13 cars that are ridiculously expensive to fix, and some might even surprise you. Welcome back to Car Care Nest, your home for real car advice and insider warnings. Let's start with a luxury name that's bleeding owners dry. Number 13, BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is a dream to drive until it starts acting up. This flagship sedan is loaded with complex electronics, adaptive suspensions, and turbocharged engines that cost a fortune to repair. A simple oil leak can require removing half the engine bay, and parts are premium priced. Even regular maintenance like brakes or sensors can run double or triple what you'd pay for an average car. As these cars age, electronic gremlins become common, and repair bills can quickly climb past $5,000. Many owners eventually give up and sell them cheap, but whoever buys them next usually regrets it. And if you think BMWs are bad, wait till you see the repair bills on their German rival. Number 12, Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The S-Class is the pinnacle of Mercedes engineering, and that's exactly what makes it so expensive to fix. With features like air suspension, active body control, and dozens of electronic modules, the complexity is off the charts. A single air suspension failure can cost $2,000 to $4,000, and electrical faults can easily double that. Even minor maintenance involves labor-intensive teardowns. While the ride quality is unmatched, the long-term ownership cost is brutal. Many mechanics call it a ticking time bomb of luxury. But next up, a British brand that makes even the S-Class look affordable to maintain. Number 11, Range Rover. The Range Rover, the definition of luxury off-roading and heartbreak. These SUVs look and feel amazing, but they're infamous for electrical failures, air suspension leaks, and engine oil issues. Replacing a single air strut? Around $1,500 each. Engine problems? Expect $10,000 plus in repair bills. Even routine maintenance is pricey because parts are imported and specialized tools are needed. While owners love the prestige, mechanics know the truth. Owning a Range Rover long-term is like playing reliability roulette. Next up, a car that pretends to be affordable luxury, but ends up being a financial nightmare. Number 10, Audi A8. The Audi A8 might not get as much attention as BMW or Mercedes, but it's just as costly to maintain. It's packed with tech, from Quattro AWD systems to adaptive dampers. And every system is interconnected. That means when one thing fails, it often triggers others. A single timing chain repair can cost $7,000, and suspension issues aren't far behind. Even something simple like replacing spark plugs can require hours of labor. So while the A8 delivers comfort and performance, it's definitely not designed for budget-minded owners. Let's move from luxury to performance. And trust me, these sports cars are wallet killers. Number 9, Porsche Cayenne. The Porsche Cayenne is fast, stylish, and fun, but maintenance is nightmarish. It combines the complexity of a sports car with the size of an SUV, which means every part costs more and takes longer to fix. Common issues include coolant leaks, timing chain tensioner failures, and oil separator problems. Routine maintenance like brake jobs or spark plugs can easily hit $2,000, while major repairs can surpass $10,000. It's a great car for short-term thrills, but not for long-term peace of mind. Now, what about electric cars? You'd think they're cheaper to maintain until you see this one. Number 8, Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S might have fewer moving parts, but when it breaks big. Battery replacements can cost up to $20,000, and even minor body repairs are extremely expensive because Tesla limits access to its parts in certified shops. Owners also complain about touchscreen failures, door handle malfunctions, and suspension issues, all of which require specialized repairs. While Tesla is great for performance and innovation, it's not kind to your wallet once the warranty runs out. But here's one you probably didn't expect. A Japanese luxury brand that's quietly become a money pit. Number 7. Infiniti QX80. The Infiniti QX80 might share its roots with the Nissan Armada, but it's far more complicated and costly to maintain. It's notorious for transmission issues, air suspension failures, and poor fuel economy. Replacing the suspension system can cost over $5,000, and its aging engine design requires frequent attention. Because Infiniti parts aren't as widely available as Toyota or Honda's, labor and repair times are longer, meaning higher bills. This SUV may look premium, but its long-term ownership costs are anything but. And if you think that's rough, the next one's a symbol of wealth, until it breaks down. Number 6. Maserati Ghibli. The Maserati Ghibli oozes Italian luxury, but it's a ticking financial time bomb. Its twin-turbo V6 engine and Italian electronics are notorious for reliability issues. A simple brake job can run over $2,500, and major engine or suspension repairs can exceed $12,000. Even oil changes are pricey, often over $500 at dealerships. It's beautiful to look at and thrilling to drive, but Maserati ownership is like dating someone who's high maintenance. Exciting at first, painful later. Let's move to something more mainstream, but just as financially dangerous. Number 5. Cadillac CT6. The Cadillac CT6 was GM's attempt to compete with the Germans, but it ended up being a headache for many owners. Its advanced magnetic ride control and twin-turbo engines are expensive to repair, and parts availability has dropped since the model's discontinuation. Electronic modules often fail, and replacement parts can take weeks to source. Repair bills of $4,000 to $8,000 aren't uncommon, even for mid-level issues. It's luxurious, but not built for affordable longevity. Now, this next brand markets itself as reliable, but one of its models tells a different story. Number 4. BMW X5. The BMW X5 is one of the most popular luxury SUVs and one of the most expensive to own out of warranty. Its engines are powerful but prone to oil leaks, cooling system failures, and sensor malfunctions. Air suspension components fail frequently, and each strut costs around $1,500 to $2,000. Electrical systems are overly complex, leading to high labor costs even for small fixes. In short, unless you've got a warranty or deep pockets, the X5 will burn through your savings fast. Now let's head to a European brand that once had prestige, but now drains wallets globally. Number 3. Jaguar XF. The Jaguar XF may look elegant, but its reliability record is one of the worst in its class. Common issues include oil leaks, timing chain tensioner failures, and constant electrical glitches. Even simple repairs often require removing multiple engine components, skyrocketing labor costs. Owners frequently report spending $10,000 plus over 5 years just keeping them running. It's a classic example of luxury without longevity. And just when you think things can't get pricier, these next two will prove you wrong. Number 2. Bentley Continental GT. The Bentley Continental GT is hand-built luxury at its finest, but every part of it screams expensive. Even minor issues like brake rotors or suspension bushings can cost thousands. A full brake replacement costs around $8,000, and engine repairs can exceed $25,000. Few independent shops can service it, meaning you're locked into dealership pricing. It's an amazing car for the ultra-rich, but for everyone else, it's a financial trap disguised as elegance. And finally, the number 1 car that'll make you cry every time you see a repair bill. Number 1. Land Rover Discovery. The Land Rover Discovery takes the crown as one of the most expensive mainstream vehicles to maintain. It suffers from chronic electrical failures, air suspension issues, and oil leaks. Each visit to the shop can cost $2,000 to $10,000, and reliability rankings place it near the bottom of every list. Even owners who love the comfort and off-road capability admit it's a money pit. Owning one long-term means constant visits to the mechanic and a constant dent in your bank account. So there you have it, 13 cars that are way too expensive to fix, even for wealthy owners. If you're buying a car soon, Remember, price tags lie, but repair bills tell the truth. Which of these surprised you most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here at Car Care Nest, we save you money by keeping you ahead of the breakdown.